Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this move down is impulsive, like an A or a 1. To me, it looks like 5 waves up, which I believe is a B or a 2. I think that we're now going down in a downtrend, which is either going to be a C, which a C would go someplace in this box, or possibly a wave 3, which a wave 3 would go all the way down to about the 0.95 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that we do have the end of a wave 5 right here. I also think it's very clear that we are in a downtrend and that we are probably in the very early stages of this downtrend, which means I'm probably going to spend the next few months, maybe even longer, in a downtrend looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I did have this box here just in case this was a wave C and this was an ABC correction. Hopefully I was going to be able to recognize that, because if it is a wave C, then it would probably turn in this box, break structure to the upside, proving it's a wave C and continuing the uptrend from there. But I actually think that it is probably a wave 3 and it probably is going to spend the next several weeks in a downtrend. If it breaks structure to the upside now, like if it turns up and breaks structure, then I would definitely change that to a wave C. But as of right now, I think we're in a wave 3 and I believe it's going to go down to this area. This is going to be a 1, a 2, and a wave 3 of this brand new downtrend I was soaring on the much longer time frames. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we definitely do have that little bit of a 3, 4, 5 shape right here. So like I said, if this does turn up, if it does break structure, then I'll know that this is a wave C, and I'll stop looking for shorts and I'll start looking for longs again. But at this point right now, I think the best bet for us is to continue to look for shorts. Unless we get that break of structure to the upside, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames, because I do believe that this is a wave 3 and that it will continue to make lower lows and lower highs. Taking it down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, really, we don't even have any break of structure on this time frame. I definitely see what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a pretty good chance that today would end up going up. But I bet this move up is going to end up making a lower high, and continuing the downtrend. Now, like I said, if it goes up and breaks this structure, then that's definitely going to change my mind, and I'll definitely be looking for longs at that point on. But I think it's more likely that it's going to make a correction to this last move down. It's going to make another lower high. It's going to make another trading opportunity to the short side for the continuation of this big downtrend, which if that's the case, then that's pretty much going to prove to me that it is a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.